Hey my good people, this is Hilda and welcome to my channel. If you're new or you just came across this channel, here we specifically do village life videos, and in today's vlog I'm going to show you our village farm tour, how things are. I show you our farms. By the way, they are so fertile and productive, so come with me as you see how things are here. And for the things which are in the shamba right now, we have the French beans. These are French beans. We have maize. We have normal beans. We have bananas. We have sweet potatoes, as you'll see them. And for here, I can't even specify the cash crop because everything will do well and it will give you money. So here, everything, it works. We do everything here. And I hope you're not getting confused because our farm is big, eh? Imetoka from barabara mpaka kwa mto. So, this is my grandpa's farm. Hii ni shamba ya guka yangu because he was one of those kolonio wazee. Walikuwa wanavari mashamba. So, shamba alitafuta yake na ya generation. And let me show you. And on to this other side, we have maize plantation and we have some beans over there. It's called mixed farming, yeah. And also on the other side there, we have the maize plantation. We can't see to the other end because of mafefe. And now we are going towards the river. It is a stream, not a river, but it never goes dry, by the way. Now, as you can see, those are beans. These are sweet potatoes over here, and we have a mango tree there. You know, the maize here, this season is for maize. We have a lot of them, as you can see now. And now let's go down to the river and see you on the other side. it's time to go home, and I will use another route so that you can see the entire side of the farm, and we will pass over here. You know, there is a Kanichi feeling you feel after going through the maize plantation or napier grass. Unajikuna, I don't know the term in English, I can't remember. And now here we are finally. Our shamba imefika huko kwa that building huko. And now tunapanda hivi. Aka ndiko kajia tumepitia tukienda huko chini. And now I will use this other side. I will pass through these are sweet potatoes. Now I will pass over here so that you can see this other side. We have beans over there. These are the other side. It's the banana plantation and also some beans. Those are the maize. I'm showing you where we are coming from and where we are heading to that farthest. That farthest there is a barabara over there. You can see the other side. And here we are. We are still moving. Let me show you my grandpa's farm. Yenye sasa aliachia my dad. And the good thing is that my dad is the only son now, you see. But anyway, hi through. Let's go back to our normal business. We have napier grass over there. Hizo ni za ng'ombe, chakula ya ng'ombe. And now here we are. Let's go. Now you have seen the other side of the farm, and as you continue seeing, now we are going home. And now you can see these are some other bananas, and on this other side we have some maize. Here maize is on season. And now we are going back home, and thank you so much for watching. Give the video a like and also comment on how you think about the video. You know, is it engaging? What kind of content would you want me to have more? You know, anything. I do appreciate so much even for watching. Thank you so much. I'm so happy and I love you all. Good night.